Hey, it's Mr. Allred. We're going to write some inequalities this time. So the first problem we have here is an interval notation. It says parentheses 4 to infinity parentheses. So we want to turn that into an inequality. So 4 is the small number and it goes to infinity. So we could write this two ways. We could say 4 is less than x. So that gives us a starting point of 4 and everything above. Or we could write it as x is greater than 4. Okay? Either one would be acceptable. The first one is the way it kind of reads. The second one looks like a compound. It says bracket -3 to 16 parentheses. So we have a bracket with -3. So -3 is the small part. So it's -3 less than or equal to x. And then it goes to 16 with the parentheses. So we can just use a less than 16. So -3 less than or equal to x with x less than 16. The next two I have is a number line. So that's a little bit harder to describe, but this one starts at -8 and it's got a bracket, so that's whatever it is an equal to. So we could say that we have the numbers mapped out here, since it's going to the right, where x is greater than or equal to -8. Or we could say -8 is less than or equal to x. Okay. And the last one is another compound on a graph. It starts at -15 with the parentheses, so -15 with the parentheses, and then it goes to 12 with a bracket. So parentheses -15 to 12 bracket. Okay, so you want to be able to take these to interval notation as well.